Oh, that's how you record. Chris, be nice. Let's stand on this side. This is the light. Get over there. Chris, get over there with right next to Dominic. There you go. Happy birthday to you. It's a video, it's not a picture. It's a video.
Video?
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit, I forgot a pudding.
Yeah. How old are you now, Dominic?
Mom, what's mine? Me?
How old?
You're 9.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm 9.
Nine.
Yeah, 9.
All right.
9 years old, Pookie. Yay! Everybody will eat my cake.
Yeah, mommy's gonna make some. Mommy's gonna make the cake.
Make your cake today.
What kind of cake is it? What kind of cake is it?
Let me see. Yay! Show Daddy. This will be my birthday cake.
Oh, yeah, that's white.
Then I got a blue icing with some sprinkles, and then I'll put his name on it.
Oh, okay. Oh, good thing we got cake. Well, I'll buy him one when I get paid out because I don't have the money right now.
What do you eat the cake?
I'll take it easy.
What are you, Jose? Don't take up on my dad. Jose. He took up on my dad like you. Daddy will spank him. You call him Jose.
It's a pain.
I'll call you too. I am not Jose, gosh dang. I'll call you nigga. You better not even think about calling me. Why not? Somebody got big feet like you.
Ah, take it easy, pain.
Stinks.
Huh? You still haven't thrown the damn thing away?
I did, but the pan is starting to stink at the
Oh, you gotta wash it, yeah.